Hello guys, it's Brainy Shows, and today I will show you an Photoshop tutorial. So guys, as you can see, there are a lot of different vehicles. So guys, we'll try to change the colors into all the colors. For example, we have this red vehicle, and we will change its color to the blue. It will look very realistic and it's very fast and easy. So guys, let's get right into the video, and here we go. So guys, as you can see, I have went to the Adobe Photoshop with this very cool car. So now need to follow all what I'm doing. So guys, here we go. So people, now I had to change our window position. It's because my video recording app was too long to record this thing. And guys, now we need to go into the sync, then correction, and then change the color. So now, as you can see, we have our car. So now we need to change our color pick tool into the pick tools that you want. I will use the basic picking tool. So now we need to pick our picture window, then choose our color that you want to change, and then change the thing into the max. So now we can see that our car is fully changed into the natural colors. Now we need to click here and change the color what we want. So guys, I'll change it into the blue. And now see the result. So, oh my goodness, it's so cool guys. See, it's fully changed. So now guys, if you want to change your wheels color, you need to choose the wheels. Now, okay, now we need to change it the color you want. Oh my god, I think it's impossible because it is choosing the all colors of this gray color, because the sky is gray too, and some parts of the vehicle is gray too. So we have a fully orange car. It's a Lamborghini or what, that we easily go to the correction, choose the color, then choose the orange, then click here, and guys, now we have fully changed red car. So it was orange but it became red. Guys, if you like this tutorial, put like into this video, subscribe, and don't forget to comment on this video, and also read the description below. Bye.